First tonight, a Polk County detention deputy is in her own jail tonight on child abuse and child porn charges. Detectives say Deputy Robin Pagoria forced two underage girls to undress. Then she allegedly handcuffed them to a bench and whipped them with a sex paddle she bought off the internet. Detectives say Pagoria also taped the sessions and uploaded them to an online boyfriend.
To tell you that I'm sick to my stomach about this is an understatement. Not just because she's a detention deputy, but to think that any adult could conduct themselves in that manner against any child is horrific.
Sheriff Grady Judd won't say how Pagoria knew the girls or whether the online boyfriend could be arrested.
Polk County Sheriff's detention deputy is behind bars tonight in her own jail. Investigators say Robin Pagoria videotaped herself torturing two children for her own pleasure. Our Chris Martinez joins us now with more details on these troubling allegations. Chris?
Well, Jamison, this woman has spent the past 6 years guarding inmates at the jail, and tonight she is now one of them. And the sheriff says he cannot believe somebody from his own team could be charged with doing this.
It's just sickening. It's just absolutely sickening.
Sheriff Judd can find no better way to describe the video he says Robin Pagoria made. It's a torture tape that the sheriff says shows this detention deputy punishing two naked young girls with paddles and whips as they're handcuffed to a homemade torture bench.
She hit one of these children 50 times with a whip and the other one 61 times. She videotaped it, she said, so she could fine-tune her techniques.
Deputies say the videos were made inside Pagoria's home and were also shared with her online boyfriend, an out-of-state man who she said shared her same spanking fetish. Deputies claim demeaning behavior was also part of the beatings. Arrest reports saying Pagoria would make the girls stand in the corner after they were whipped for up to a half an hour to humiliate them so they would remember what they did wrong and not repeat the same behavior. The sheriff now says if he gets his way, it's Pagoria who won't get the chance to repeat hers.
It is my sincere hope that she never breathe another breath of air outside of a county jail or a state prison system.
And another reason the sheriff found this so surprising is because Pagoria has a mostly spotless record with the sheriff's office with just a couple minor reprimands, and she was also a Marine for many years. Now tonight she's facing charges of child abuse and making, possessing, and promoting child porn.
Pagoria walked into the courtroom in handcuffs and shackles as she faced a judge for the first time on child pornography and child abuse charges.
I'm not going to fight it.
At first, the former Polk County detention deputy declined legal counsel, but changed her mind after the judge told her she would be at a disadvantage.
No, I plan on saying not guilty or guilty or no contest. It'd be best to just to have a lawyer.
I can't tell you what would be best.
Or in my best interest.
In terms of the result in your case, but I can tell you folks are always better represented by attorneys.
Pagoria is accused of severely whipping two children and filming them being spanked on her cell phone. All this allegedly happening while inside her Polk County home. Neighbors like Carlos Stewart are in disbelief.
She's very friendly. Nice neighbor. We always chatted. We shared cups of coffee out, neighborhood watch. Everybody was very friendly and upfront, and then out of the blue.
For now, Robin Pagoria finds herself on the other side of the law and waits for her day in court. Now, the state attorney's office did file a motion for a pretrial detention hearing that's on Wednesday, June 1st at 8:30. Reporting on scene in Polk County, Ashley Jeffrey, Bay News 9.